What's up, guys? So this was a quick video I was going to make all about salad dressings. My last video was about oils. You could check that out as well. But let's talk about salad dressings. So most every single salad dressing out there on the market has canola oil in it. And maybe you don't know, but canola oil comes from a plant that it's named rapeseed oil. Not too appealing, so I can see why they changed the name for the oil, at least. But yeah, rapeseed oil, canola oil, or soybean oil, those are the most common ingredients in your salad dressing, and those are horrible for you. They'll cause inflammation. I can almost guarantee it. And so I don't suggest that. There's a few on the market. I think there is one from Primal Kitchen that has avocado oil, like a ranch one, and then there's another company out there that has this weird chia ranch dressing, and I can't think of the name offhand, but I tried both of those. Those are horrible. And then there's the whole Walden Farms line. Like, those are just filled with a ton of random ingredients, and none of them seem like they're anything real. So I don't consume that stuff. I would not suggest anybody else consume that stuff. So since we're doing keto, I've made a video about going keto. If you haven't seen it, check it out. If you don't know anything about what keto is, go check out my video on that. You can put the link in the description. But we started making salad dressings at home. Instead of going straight to making it from scratch, I tried those little packets, and I read the ingredients on the packets, and found out there's actually maltodextrin in there. Even though it's an organic variety that we used, maltodextrin is also going to cause a lot of inflammation in your body, and it can cause you oxidative stress. So I don't suggest you guys get one of those packets. Just go straight back to the old spices, put them together. And we actually made our own ranch dip and ranch dressing. That's keto. We usually stick to an avocado mayo, which is a type of mayonnaise that just uses avocado oil. And we like that a lot better for so many reasons. But it's just plain less inflammation, doesn't use all those nasty oils. And so it's really good for a whole bunch of different reasons. The salad dressing recipe would be, we just use 2 cups of mayo, the avocado mayo, and 2 cups of sour cream, and then I mix in a tablespoon of dill, a teaspoon of tarragon, a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of just onion powder, and then pepper to taste. Some recipes, some people would go all the way up to a teaspoon of pepper, but we usually just keep it lower than that, and I just kind of add some. So I can put that recipe in the description, and hope you guys enjoy it. We had some friends over the other night and they loved it. Gave them the recipe, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. Probably post it on my Instagram as well. But yeah, guys, so stay healthy. Any other health questions you guys want answered, anything you want to know, feel free to leave it in the comments or on my Instagram or email me. So go natural health. All right, guys, stay healthy.